Hi, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. The economic news will be presented by me, Kate Stihina. You are watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for last week. On Friday, the US dollar showed a negative dynamic, plummeting to a more than 3-year low against the euro. The reason is in expectations of the European Central Bank policymakers to reduce stimulus measures. The Euro-USD pair was steady at 1.2187 with a weekly gain of 60 points. Euro-USD peaked during the American session at the highest level in 3 years. On Thursday, the minutes from the latest meeting of the European Central Bank and on Friday, developments in German politics boosted the euro across the board. Euro-USD also received an impulse from a weak US dollar. Rising US yields were offset by the more in European bonds, so the greenback was unable to benefit from the bond market. At the same time, the pound sterling rocketed to its highest level against the US dollar since the Brexit vote to leave the European Union, after a report that the Netherlands and Spain were open to a deal for Britain to remain and close as possible to the trading bloc. Sterling was last trading at 1.3729, up by 157 points over the week. Meanwhile, Bitcoin capped off a bubbly week Friday with mixed voices, as prices dipped to sub $14,000. Critics cried, "Bubble." Bitcoin fell as much as 14% to a low of $12,800 on the Bitstamp exchange in afternoon trading on Thursday in Asia, following the announcement of South Korea's plan to ban cryptocurrency trading. For the week, Bitcoin lost 2,500 points, last trading at $13,783 on Friday. That's all about movements in the Forex market. As to the commodity market, crude oil prices ended Friday at a more than 3-year high, up nearly 5% for the week, as a spate of weekly declines in US crude stockpiles helped prices log a 5th consecutive session of gains. News that the Trump administration extended sanctions relief for Iran as expected, and data showing the first weekly rise in active US oil drilling rigs failed to squash bullish sentiment. Brent crude futures for March delivery ticked up to $69.87 a barrel on ICE Futures Europe, contributing to a weekly rise of roughly 3.3%. Both WTI and Brent posted their highest settlements since early December 2014. February West Texas Intermediate futures settled higher at $64.30 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. After climbing over the past 4 sessions, prices posted a gain of roughly 4.7% for the week. Gold, meanwhile, marked a fresh 4-month high on Friday, finding support as the US dollar extended its earlier decline. February gold futures rose to $1,334.90 an ounce. The metal saw a weekly gain of roughly 1%. It fell to a 5th week of consecutive gains, the longest since April. Months to date, the metal has climbed by 2.2%. You watched the weekly review of foreign exchange and commodity markets on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stihina. Good luck and goodbye.